So over here, you can see that I got a bunch of data in a sheet, and in order to filter them and to have easier access to filter option, you can use the slicer tool. So to do that, I'm going to select out this table right here, and then I'm going to go around into the data right here, and then here you can see that slicer is an option. So once I click on slicer, what happens is that it says select the column first. So on the right hand side, you can select out the column. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select out the price right here. So once I do that, you can see that I've selected price. I can also go into customize right here and then select out like what font and anything like this would be. So you can go around and then arrange the slicer out according to how you like as well. But I'm just going to go around right here, and then what I can do is I can simply select, let's say, for example, $100 and $150, press OK, and that is filtered out over here. You can go around over here and then add in just like this. You can also go around and then add in another slicer right here. So let's say for this one, it is going to be name right here. So once you go around over here, you can go around and then you can go and then select out the names that you wish to display, and you can press OK, and that is how two filters are applied out. So it is a floating filter, as you can see right here. So you can go around right here, enable and disable things right here, just like this, just like you would do in a filter, and then it would show up. So it is a floating piece of control for the filter, as you can see right here. And that is how you can use the slicer to have easier access to filter menu inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.